Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW 540i xDrive Sedan Legacy Edition in Maldives Blue II Metallic with the black interior. All right, so this is the 2026 BMW 540i xDrive Sedan Legacy Edition in Maldives Blue II Metallic. I've just pressed unlock. We have the kidney grille lit up. We have the DRLs on. And let me just press and hold panic for 1 second. So full low beam lighting system is on there. Looks great. Now I'm gonna do a lap all the way around. And I just wanna say personally, so this is a special edition. It comes in 3 blues. Maldives Blue II Metallic, which is this color. It also comes in Interlagos Blue, which is a much darker blue. And then it comes in Black Blue, which I've featured on the channel already, which is like a dark non-metallic tanzanite kind of. But the weird thing to me is we had an X5M competition here, and you can see it on my channel, and it was also in Maldives Blue II Metallic. And to my eyeballs, this does not look the same as that other car's paint. To my eyeballs, this kind of looks a bit more like a Laguna Seca or even a Miami or Mexico blue kind of color. And I'm not sure exactly how it's showing up on the camera, but oh man, this doesn't look the same to me as it did on the X5M, which is so strange. But this special edition only comes in these colors. And yeah, so anyway, let's take a look at all the details. So we got Maldives Blue II Metallic. Don't worry, that's just a piece of sticker. This is a very interesting color. It looks different to my eyes than it does on the camera. And in different lights, it looks so different. Like in person, I feel like there's a little bit of like aqua to it. But on the camera, it looks much more blue and less green. Or maybe my eyes are just bad at detecting color, but it looks great nonetheless, but I'm just confused with the colors a little bit. But this color does show off the lines on the hood really nice, with the BMW Rondell up front and center. And down here, you see that we have the new kidney grille with the iconic glow and the vertical slats. We also have a little camera at the front here and some radar and sensors. And down here, you'll see that we also have some big air intakes and air ducts going into the wheel wells and intercoolers and oil coolers and whatnot. And I'm just gonna hit unlock again so we can get that kidney grille lit up. So the grille does light up. It looks great. Some of you don't like it. It can be turned off if you want. But overall, I think this looks real good. If we come over and take a closer look at the headlights, these are the BMW LED Shadowline headlights. And the 5 Series has the headlights raked down a little bit. We also have all those intricate little patterns on the inside there on the lights. And overall, it looks really good. And I like the swooping up design, which kind of reminds me of the E60 headlight shape. And just front, look at this, it just looks awesome. I really like that. Now, as for the wheels, on this special edition, we have the 21-inch individual Aero wheels, and these are the 954 individual wheels in their jet black burnished. And it says individual down here. And back there you can see we have the blue M Sport brake. That looks sweet. We have a black rocker panel. That little slit there is where the welcome light carpet illuminates from, which is the M welcome light carpet. A bit easier to see from this side. And you can see that we have body colored side mirrors with the integrated turn signal and side camera there. We also have the black window surrounds. We have the flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access at the fronts. We have the full glass roof with the new style antenna. And back here's the other 21-inch 954 individual wheel. We also have the black spoiler on the trunk lid. We have the 5 on the Hofmeister kink. And if I come around to the back here, let me just hit unlock so you can see those double L-shaped stacked tail lights. And because this is the M Sport design and kind of like the i5 xDrive 40, you have black chrome here instead of chrome. And even though this is the gas model, we have a big diffuser back here, and there's no real visible exhaust tips, but there is a dual exit, one on each side there. And we have 540i badging over here, and we have the backup camera down here, and I've got the key with me, so I'm just going to do a swift kick underneath the middle there. So once that opens up, you'll see that we have release levers on either side to fold down the seats. We have some carpeted mats, rubber mats. There's also a grocery bag hanger on each side here. And we have a little storage bin down there, another storage bin down here. And you can see we also have the tire inflator kit plus here. I normally would detach this like this and drop it into one of these sides. It's easier to keep there, kind of like that. So that is sweet. We have a button to close, another one to close and lock, but you can definitely just kick your foot underneath the middle. Perfect. Now on the passenger side, on the rear quarter, we do have the fuel cap door. It is connected to the central locking system, so once the car is unlocked, you can press 9 o'clock. We're looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise 1 click. There's a spot to put this while you refuel, and clockwise 1 click to lock it back into place. Now if I go ahead and open up that back door there, you'll see inside that we have door pull, window switch, Bowers & Wilkins sound system with the illuminating speaker back there, looks great. Some ambient light in the door area and the pocket. And inside here you'll see that we have the Black Alcantara Veganza interior. All the seat belts are done up here, so let me just undo them for a second. We do have the pass-through through the center with this button right here, like so. We also have the armrest with some cup holders. Up top we have some reading lights, microphones for Bluetooth on either side, handle on each side with a coat hanger. And on the back of the center console we have some vents, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, heated seats for the 2 outer positions. We also have a little storage area. There's more lighting and vents underneath the front seats. So now that we've had a chance to look into the back seating area, let's shut this door and we'll go to the front door next. We have another M welcome light carpet on the passenger side. And once I open up this door, you'll see again we have the Bowers & Wilkins speaker mesh here. We've got the interaction light bar going all the way around. We also have the carbon fiber trim with the silver thread, window switch, door pocket, speaker down here, full power seat with lumbar. This is with the M tricolor stitching on the piping there. We also have some Alcantara elements as well. Headrest is also manually adjusted forwards and backwards and up and down. And more of that carbon fiber, more interaction light. Close, open this vent, direction of vent here. Nice soft touch materials on the dash, crisscross patterns up here. We have the curved display with iDrive operating system 8.5. More vent controls, 4-way flashers, max front defrost, rear defrost. Down here we've got your wireless charger on the driver's side, a storage area on the passenger side. We have your cup holders with the 2 USB Type-C charging ports. And here's your push start button, the gear selector, glass iDrive controller, volume wheel. We also have your button here that will open up this in a split, and there's a 12-volt plug in there and key. So let's get out of here and we'll go to the driver door next. All right, so if we approach from the driver door, let me open this up. And here we have Bowers & Wilkins. We have some memory buttons, seat menu button, unlock lock, window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate release, and door pocket. And we got some nice blue contrast stitching here as well as on the seats. Driver's side has lumbar as well. Seats look great. And the shade is closed for the glass roof. And we also have the flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock. There's a black marker at 12 o'clock. And we also have the head-up display. There's also the interior camera here. And the sunshade scrolls to the front in the 540. We've got the interior camera. We've got the garage door openers underneath here. If I pull this down, you'll see that when I open the mirror, the light turns on. The visor can also come out and go back. We also have the microphone handle on each side. And this does have some driver assistance, active cruise control stuff. So stop and go, it'll be able to do that. And it will also be able to do self-parking, backwards, forwards, parallel park. You can also pre-record a parking path. And with the My BMW app and Digital Key Plus, you can also remote park the vehicle with you outside of the vehicle through the app. So that is pretty sweet. So now that we've had a chance to look on the inside, let's get back out. And down here, we have exterior lighting controls. Down here are your pedals. And if you feel for it, you can see that there is a hood release. So 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, you don't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline 6 twin power turbo. And this B58 has 375 horsepower, 398 foot-pounds of torque. We have a positive battery terminal here. We have a negative battery terminal here. And we have a washer fluid over there. So, car looks great. 5 Series does have a gigantic hood, and there's a lot of resistance from those hydraulic arms and 2 latches. So in order for this hood to close, bring the hood about halfway and throw it down with some serious force. Perfect. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. That looks sweet. And we'll get some longer range angles here. Car does look awesome. I'm glad that we've got a B58 internal combustion engine only version of the car. And I have yet to actually drive the 540i. I have to wait for someone to buy it and let me drive it because there's only 151 units of these in Canada. So how do you like the 540i xDrive Sedan Legacy Edition in Maldives Blue II Metallic, supposedly, with the black interior? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, the car doesn't actually have enough gas for a remote engine start cold start, so just keep in mind the cars can't remote start if they're too low on fuel. So I'm just gonna start it up manually, the good old-fashioned way, so you can hear the cold start sound. right, so it started up and it's now settled down a little bit, so it's not as grumbly. And just wanted you to see, got it in sport mode, so we've got M colors going around on the interaction light bar, which looks sweet. And you know what? I just wanted to do another lap with all the lights on, just so that they show up properly on the camera. Car looks awesome. We've warmed up a bit now. This is what's going on. All right, that sounded pretty awesome. What do you guys think? Again, because this color is so like weird to my eyeballs right now, I just wanted to do a little lap also outside in case the natural light was messing up the color in my video or whatever. The car looks awesome. It just doesn't look like the same color as the X5M that was also supposed to be the same color to me, so it's bothering me a little bit. But I didn't want you guys to say, oh, we never got to see the color outside, so we'll never know. So here's the color outside, just in case. Man, look how good it looks though. Look at that shot right there. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW 540i xDrive Sedan Legacy Edition in Maldives Blue II Metallic with the Black Alcantara Veganza interior, 21-inch Aero wheels. How do you like it? If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.